At the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to have this logo file. So for web PNG, you can upload it for the logo of your website, and favicon as favicon on your website. So you can use it for favicon on your website. If you want to print also, you can see for print, this is PDF, black logo, color logo, the white, no background. So let's log in. Make sure you log in order to track your progress. Don't worry, I'm going to give you the website, the link to the website at the end of this tutorial, so stay close. So what are you designing a logo for? Know the industry you are in. So you type the name of the industry that you want to design logo for. Is it restaurants? Maybe it's a niche, consulting, beauty, photography. So for the sake of this tutorial, we are using photography. So you are using photography. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can get notified whenever I post any new video that is going to help you. Click on continue. Pick some logos you like. So this logo that you're going to pick, you can pick more than one, you can pick two. These are the possible things that the website is going to give you. So I click to, I continue. You can pick the color that you want, grayscale, and I pick orange. So you can skip it also, and this is it. So friendly reminder to check your spelling. So check your spelling, make sure your spelling is correct. You can also add a slogan if you want. Keep it short. So let's put a slogan for a photography, which is memory to keep always. Memory to keep always. Yeah, after doing this, then you click continue. You click on continue. It's going to give you what logo symbol are you looking for. So what are the things that you want to see in that logo? So photography camera, I click that. You can click as many as possible. So you click on continue. So then you continue. So we are generating some logos for you. Click a design to preview to see the different version. Can you see now? So you can click. So I can add it to favorite by clicking that love in order to get back to it on my favorite account. That's why I said you should click. You make sure that you log in so that you can be able to track your progress whenever you want to do anything. So I click on the two because I like the two. Can you see now? So you can be able to track your progress when you log in into the account. This one too is okay. So I click it. Yes. You can scroll down. This one too is okay. Scroll down and check as many as possible. Click on load more logos. It's going to load more logos so that you can see the one that suits your taste. So you click on love. So I want to pick this because I like this somehow unique. So this is all the one that I added to favorites. Can you see? So I want to edit this one alone. So you click on it and it's going to show like this. So there are some preview of how it's going to show. Can you see? So this is where you are going to edit it. You're going to click on the layout. If you click on the layout, it's going to give you so many suggestions apart from the one that you have gotten from the, can you see? It's going to give you more suggestions. So play around everything on this app. You are going to get much more better. So on the palette, can you see that the color has changed? So if you want to change it, you click on it. And you play around with it. Each time as you are using it, you are going to get it very well. So you can play around with the app before you use it for clients or before you use it for your logo design. So you can click on it. You can click on more ideas. You can click on changing backgrounds. You can choose anyone that you prefer to use for your brand. So you can play around it. Make sure, don't forget to subscribe and like this video so that you can get more educative content like this will be coming on this channel. So click like, give it a thumb up, comment, and make sure you share this video with your loved ones. So after clicking on it like this, you can now click on download and your video is going to download automatically. So this is the link to the website, my free logo maker. So you extract it and you have it on your phone. You extract after downloading the file, you extract it and you have it on your phone. So it's perfect like this. Can you see? So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I will see you on the other side.